When filming any video, it's important to find a good environment, as it's going to have a huge impact on the final quality of your production. First, choose a place that has an appropriate background for your video. Find a setting that isn't too distracting, or perhaps unprofessional. Think critically about the tone you're going for, and how your setting will support that. You can't control or predict what other people might do, so it's best to avoid a situation where others might walk into frame, or open a door behind you. Second, pay attention to your lighting, as you'll want a well-lit and evenly lit environment. One that's not so bright that you're blown out or there's a distracting glare, but not so dark that it's difficult to fully make things out. Avoid standing in front of bright windows, as you'll either have a halo or be silhouetted. And try to make sure that the light is sort of coming from an angle in front of you, as direct overhead lighting can cause shadows. Finally, background audio is another important factor to keep in mind. Make sure you're in a quiet place to film, where air conditioning, or background voices, or street noise won't filter through. You also want to find a place where there's not too much echo, where you don't have to shout. Whenever you've chosen a good spot for filming, always check by shooting a brief test video. Make sure to listen to the test video with headphones on so you can hear any potentially distracting noise in the environment. As always, if you want feedback on your video production, from initial planning through final cuts, you can schedule a consultation with the Digital Act Studio. Happy filming.